And now for the last part of the experiment, we just need to take one of these. So these are our extremely off tea bags, some from decades ago, you know, like 20, 30 years ago when tea was barely invented. And I'm going to make up just a cup of tea. I'm going to put the platinum resistance thermometer in it, and we're going to monitor as it cools. So I'm going to probably take readings every 30 seconds. I'll run the experiment in real time so you'll see everything going on, but of course you can skip forward in the video and maybe save yourself a little time, okay? But yeah, so if I've saved you time, why not feel free to PayPal me a little money, you know, 10, 15 quid, I don't know, maybe 40. You consider it. My PayPal account is r.f.mcpherson. First things first, I have to actually make the tea. Now I don't drink tea or coffee. My poisons of choice are delicious squash and whiskey, which are my 2 morning drinks. And so I'm just going to leave the bag in because I have no pretentious ideas about how tea should be made. So here's our setup. I've got the tea in the thermistor, and I'm going to just get my stopwatch going. So I'm going to use the stopwatch for this because I want to use my phone to take photos as we go along. So first things first, I'm going to balance the bridge. So that's our 0 point. And I'm going to start the stopwatch now. So I'm going to place this here so you can see it. I'm going to take a photo. So that's our 0 reading. It's already coming up for 30, so I'd better finally adjust. So you can see that's 210, that's 30 now. So let me take another photo. It's coming up for 60. So I'm just going to keep finely adjusting this so that I don't have too big a change to make when it gets to the relevant times. There we go. And I am taking the photos after, but that doesn't matter because the bridge is still fixed unless I adjust this, its value doesn't change. We're at 20 seconds. That's 25. Just a fine adjustment again. That's 13 now. So, yep, happy there. Okay. That's 45 seconds. 50. 55. 4, 2, 1, 0. That's my next reading. So we're coming up for 20 seconds. So I'm just going to balance the bridge again. $29, $30 now. Okay, so let's grab that. Good time, this. Possibly the best time I've ever had. Okay, so we're coming up for 50. So I'm going to do a little balancing. I'm going 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay. So 15, 20, and that's 30 now. So let's grab that. I use mint tea, and the mint is really beginning to irritate my nose. So that's 52, 53, 54, 55, and that's 60. So we're coming up for 20 seconds. Just a fine adjustment again. So it's 28, 29, that's 30 now. So that's 50 seconds. It's 55 now, so let's do our adjustment. 58, 59, 60. So that should be 5 minutes now, but we'll go a little bit longer, just because we want to get a good set of data. So 20 seconds now, so 5 minutes 20 obviously. 25, I should balance the bridge. That's 30 there. Okay, so we're coming up for 45 in 2, 1, so that's 45. That's 50. That's 60 there. Looks balanced still to me. Alright, we'll do another couple minutes, alright? You can probably stop now, so you might have enough data, you can just graph it. That's 20 seconds. So that's 30 now. Okay. So here we go. So that's coming up for 45. 50. There's very small changes now, so I'm not going to continue beyond the next minute. 57, 58, 59, 60. There we go. So yeah, I just think at the point I'm at, I'm making such small changes that it doesn't really add too much to the data set. Okay, so it's 20, 25. Yeah, not much of a change there, is there? That was 30. And now we have only 20 seconds left. I've been doing this for, a worrying long time, so I don't want to mess up and say fuck or something and have to redo it all. So that's 55 now, and there we go. So that should be the end of our experiment.